Hey everyone, it's Samantha and I've got a grocery haul today. We are majorly going to eat out of the freezer this week, so I didn't need very much as far as produce or anything, so I'm just going to walk you through the list. We're going to do some entertaining this week. I got a couple of things for that. So first up we got bunches of apples. My husband got the Jazz apples, I got Braeburns, and then these are McIntosh, and the description said they are sweet but a little bit tart, so I'm going to try those out. I like tart apples. And we got some onions. My husband got a donut. I got a gallon of milk this week. I decided I really liked Corn Chex, so I got the Corn Chex and a bigger thing of milk so that I can have those for snacks and sometimes for breakfast. I just really liked that this last week. I got 2 boxes of the granola bars for my husband. They were on sale this week. A thing of baby carrots for snacks, some more of these Kraft singles for Rotel dip for entertaining. My husband wanted more of these chocolate chip muffins, even though he's got one mix left still. And then I got a cake mix. I'm going to do a cake doctor recipe to doctor this up, and also vanilla icing to go with that. I'm going to make a little cake. Then some Earl Grey tea. We got the decaf. Then I'm almost out of mayonnaise. I'm going to be making spinach artichoke dip this weekend, so I needed some more mayonnaise for that. Got 1 thing of ravioli, 2 things of cream of mushroom soup. These were on sale, and I'll just hold these until Thanksgiving because we like the green bean casserole with those. And then this one is for a recipe coming up. It's cream of chicken and mushroom. Then I got 2 things of ice cream. This one's actually frozen yogurt, and this one doesn't have very many ingredients in it, so I was really happy about that. It's just chocolate and vanilla beans swirled together. I'm going to try to have this when I want something sweet. I've been really wanting something vanilla, so got that. And then my husband got mint chocolate chip. And then 2 bags of chips for entertaining. So most of it's for entertaining, but some of it's for us. I'll show you our meal plan this week. We're going to be making chicken pot pie, stir fry, chicken wings. Those are in the freezer. Another stew, and then out to eat while we're entertaining, and then pasta. So that is our easy meal plan this week. I'm just trying to clean out the freezer this week, so our meals are pretty easy, just stuff we have in the freezer. So that's it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like grocery hauls, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.